Hey there, tech enthusiasts and AI lovers. Welcome back to the channel. And today we're diving deep into Macro AI, the self-proclaimed best all-in-one AI platform of 2025. If you've been searching for a powerful AI workspace that combines multiple tools under one roof, this review is for you. We'll explore every feature, weigh the pros and cons, and help you decide if Macro AI is worth your time. So let's jump right in. Macro AI is a cutting-edge platform designed to streamline your workflow with a suite of AI-powered tools. According to their website, it offers everything from content generation and data analysis to automation and collaboration features, all wrapped in a sleek, user-friendly interface. One of the standout features is its versatility. Whether you're a marketer, developer, or business owner, Macro AI claims to have something for everyone. The platform's dashboard is clean and intuitive, making it easy to navigate between different tools like text generation, image creation, and even code automation. Now, let's talk about the positives. First, the all-in-one approach is a huge time saver. No more switching between multiple apps. Second, the AI models are reportedly fast and accurate, delivering high-quality outputs for tasks like writing, design, and data processing. Third, Macro AI emphasizes strong security and privacy, ensuring your data stays protected. But of course, no platform is perfect. Some users might find the pricing a bit steep, especially for small businesses or solo entrepreneurs. While the tool variety is impressive, certain features may not be as advanced as standalone specialized apps. Another potential downside is the learning curve. Though the interface is user-friendly, mastering all the tools could take some time. So who is Macro AI best for? If you need a centralized hub for multiple AI tasks and value convenience over ultra-specialized tools, this could be a great fit. However, if you're on a tight budget or only need one specific AI function, you might want to explore alternatives. That wraps up our review. Have you tried Macro AI yet? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more AI tool breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.